Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a YouTube shorts from your channel. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, tap on profile icon, click on shorts option, then all shorts, show your all shorts. Okay, click on three dot option, tap on delete option, delete these videos and delete and cancel. That's all. Just click delete, then delete a YouTube shorts from your channel. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.